guys, welcome back. Long time no see. Today let's discuss a countertop wood flosser or a cordless wood flosser. A countertop wood flosser normally offers a large pressure range from softest to max clean. If you have sensitive areas, you may prefer the lower pressure setting of a countertop wood flosser. Another consideration is reservoir capacity. A countertop wood flosser's bigger wood tank allows you to floss for 60 to 90 seconds. In comparison, the cordless one can last from 30 to 45 seconds. This means that you may need to refill for a better cleaning effect. A cordless wood flosser is helpful for small countertops, pedestal sinks, limited space, easy storage, and as an alternative to a countertop wood flosser when you are away from home. Flosmore's FL01 can even work like a countertop wood flosser with stepless adjustable water pressure. For home use, a countertop wood flosser offers more non-stop cleaning experience. But if portability and space are very important to you, so consider cordless one. Okay, that's all. See you next time. Bye bye.